All right, we're going to get that 55-inch Samsung TV relocated from there to this here fireplace. We don't have any connections there, so we got to drop everything from the attic, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so we found our marker in the attic. There's the top plate right there above the fireplace, and there's the plywood that covers the whole backing of the fireplace, so we know we need to drill right there in the center of that 2x4. So let's do that now. There's our hole. Now we can go ahead and take our glow rod and attach our coax and our electric, and then we'll drop it down. All right, here we go. Got the glow rod inserted into the hole. I've taped up my wires really well. Now when I tape, I like to tape the end of the stick as well, so that way if you push your stick all the way into the hole and you got to pull it back out, it doesn't really get stuck right here. Just a little tip for you guys. But yeah, we'll go ahead and shove this down, and then we'll cut the hole back down there in the living room, and we should be able to grab our glow rod. There it is, it's hitting the mantle. So let's go back downstairs. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and cut our holes, and we're gonna go ahead and pull our cables out. Here's our stick. There's our cables. Now we'll get our brackets installed, and then we'll be good to go to mount our TV. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and cut another hole for the coax. All right, now we'll put the coax over here, and Romex will be here. Let's get our brackets installed. All right, guys, so we've connected our coax. We ran our Romex, nice and neat, into this junction box here where there's a light switch. We have constant power right here, so we're going to tie in our hot, our neutral, and our negative to these wire nuts, and then we'll have electric on the fireplace. Stay tuned. All right, everything is put back, so now we will go and check on the TV downstairs and see what we got. All right, we come over here and we check our tester. We are good to go. We'll get everything zip tied, and it'll be a finished installation. Stay tuned. There you go. Freshly mounted TV. No wires. Relocated from there. There you go, folks.